So guys, my dad and I and some workmates from his work went and picked up this amazing helicopter. What he's planning to do with it is paint it camo, get a big back put over the top where it's opened, put some doors on it, put a front on it so it looks like a working chopper, paint it camo or black. Then he's gonna make a big pipe for the big end propeller. Then put some pipes on it so it looks like the jaw bit down the bottom. He's also, in his workshop, he's got a massive fan that he's going to put it up underneath so it looks like the propellers. And then, so today we're just cleaning it out, all the wires and everything in it. So I'm just going to be putting it on a time lapse and showing you all the work that we do. So guys, you might be wondering what the fan looks like. That's what it looks like there. And this pole just there is what it will be standing up on. On the top it's got a square base metal, so we'll just bolt that to the ground. If you want to see the end result of this, make sure you like and subscribe and share this video even. So, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more amazing videos, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and with those notifications. Thanks.